I can then switch the downward camera. I can then take Mr. Elephant. Bear in mind, this is washed out. These lights. I can then take Mr. Elephant. I can put Mr. Elephant there. I can put my Demon Sentinel there. I can place the frame grab and I'll start to add them. And then you've got this. You've got those. You can then start to move those along to frame grabs and do all that way. So as longer you put that out, it means that 5 seconds, which means that I can put that there. I can press that, take my hand away. It'll take 5 seconds to take that shot, and then it will take the shot for you. When you're hitting in the replay button, like you can change the frames per second to be really quick, really slow, ultra quick. You can click audio and add your own audio file, so you can add your own music to the song, to the thing you've created. So for kind of art or design, all that on there as well. Do you guys use Autodesk or do you guys use Sketchbook?